What's up? What's up? Welcome. Okay, so I had to stop and do this today because it's such a beautiful day out today. Check out this water. It's just beautiful. And it is February 3rd. All right, my name is Buddy Boome. I'm from Northwest Washington and Pacific Northwest, and I'm a father of 5. I've been married for 10 years. I work as a full-time security guard, and I've been quietly making money from home for over 10 years now. Okay, so I just wanted to actually stop in, let you guys know that I'm a real person, and I just wanted to let you guys know that because I know this internet world, there's a lot going on around you, and it gets a little bit confusing out there. So I just wanted to drop in, let you guys know, I'm a real person, and this information down here, that's real information. That's my personal Facebook Messenger, and that's my personal cell phone number. Okay, so you're actually here because you want to find out how you can start generating income just like I am, and just like a lot of other people are. I'm not no guru or anything like that. I'm a full-time father of 5, security guard, and I've just been quietly making money from home. So if that's something that you're actually looking into, I'm going to actually invite you to take a look at what I'm doing. How you're going to do that is you're going to fill this form in down below. It's going to ask your name and your email. And I promise, guys, gals, I'm not going to share your information, do anything stupid with it. It's just in case we get disconnected, or if I can send you some more information that way. Okay, that's just the way we do things over here. So I actually got a couple different programs going. I got a residual income program. It's a small ticket program. And then we got a high ticket program where it's a cash only, where you can get cash sent to your mailbox. And we're talking like $1,000 cash commissions with this. And I don't want to discourage you guys with that. I'm not going to go into the details about it. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to invite you to take a look at what we're doing in the smaller program. Fill the email in there. It's going to bring you to a presentation page. Just go check that out. And if it's for you, cool, then you can follow the next steps. And if it's not, then no big deal. I thank you for stopping by and taking a look at what we're doing. And then the mailbox cash, if you already checked out that page, then what you're going to want to do is contact me by clicking that Facebook Messenger or the cell phone number on the bottom. Give me a text message, give me a call, and just say, hey buddy, I want the next steps. And then, we'll go back and forth. We'll work out the details from there. So I just wanted to drop in because it's such a freaking beautiful day out here. Check this out. It's freaking Pacific Northwest. See that beach behind me? I grew up in those waters. I've been out in those waters a lot. Beautiful, beautiful place. All right, guys, you know what to do. Fill that form in. See you guys soon. And I just want to say congratulations in advance because you're actually taking yourself to the next level. So at that, I'll see some of you soon. God bless.